The Jade Circle for me is juiciness, juicy exploration of my body, my inner world, both physically and energetically. It is being held, a safe space to be held by a lovely circle of women and by Anamarta's safe hands. A place to step out of my own life, all my responsibilities as a mother of 3 children, and a woman who holds space for other women and works with other women, so I spend a lot of my life supporting others. It brings her creative, feminine, fluid way of teaching these kind of practices that are so often passed down by men, and in doing that they always lose something. And it brings her wit and this creative charm and this playfulness that allows everybody just to relax and to be easy and to go into really deep and intimate places without feeling that they can go there, places that they may not go otherwise. The Jade Circle really enriched my life, becoming more clear, more focused about my own life path and my own desire to support other women on their own journeys.